Now, let's talk about, let me just make sure I don't have it. Nope, I don't. Okay. So, this is where I want to talk about that true European convection. Okay? True European convection. Now, there are two types of convection. So just so you know, there are two types of convection out there. There is what I call standard convection. And then there is true convection. Okay? Standard convection and true convection. Now, what's the difference between the two? Well, both convections, this is going to be a very poorly drawn diagram, so just hang with me. Both convections do the same thing theoretically. So the point of convection is to move air to give you more precise heating. So these little sun diagrams are going to represent a fan motor. All right, so the top one is going to be my standard convection, and the bottom one is going to be my true convection, or in this case, what GE likes to call true European convection. So, here's the difference. Is going to use the bake element. The bake element is my heat source. And I'm going to have a fan that's going to cycle or come on and turn on and move that air around that cavity. Still convection, but it's not true convection. The bake element does its own thing, and we just have a fan that kind of cycles air around. Standard convection. True convection is going to be a fan system, but there's going to be a separate element that's going to be around that fan. So when we look at the picture here of the range, we see we have a convection element and a convection fan. So internally, if we take the cover off that fan area, we see a fan blade and we'll see an element around that fan. And that convection element is going to be the heat source